Here at Woodsmith, we are always looking for ways to make finishing your projects easier and more efficient. Dave Brooks from Pleasant View, Utah sent in this tip to us for creating a finishing turntable to help with his project of creating multiple Christmas presents that he had to finish efficiently and quickly. It starts with 2 layers of Baltic birch plywood, 3/4 inch, that are glued together with a hole drilled through the center, using a counterbore on the backside to accept a carriage bolt and a long enough carriage bolt to come through the top with a washer and a nut to secure it in place. The turntable has a hole drilled in the center of it as well, with a T-nut placed on the backside and 4 wood screws that are screwed through the entire 2 layers of plywood to help hold the workpiece up. Once this is all constructed, you just place the turntable on top of the base, give it a quick spin, and get it in place. Once I get the turntable turned down to where I want it, I am ready to put my project on the screws that hold it up in the air. I can position the project where I need it, and I can just grab my favorite can of finish and start applying. Rotate to the other side and finish it off.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. You can also click the bell to get notifications every time we post a video. Feel free to comment below and we'll get to as many as we can. Also, we're including links to the sources, plans, everything you need to know in the description below. Thanks.